just a proud moment, I guess. I'm very happy and excited. Just enjoying every bit of it, taking it all in. But at the same time, just trying to stay focused, learning my roles and executing it.
How do you see your role, a very challenging one tomorrow against Tonga?
Yes, first of all, I was brought in as a replacement and for Domenico. That's big shoes to fill, but I'm just going to try and play my own game, stick to the plan, and at the same time just add my own flavor, I guess.
So what's the strength?
I guess for running and just trying to be explosive in everything I do, hitting those trucks and tackling.
So what's the message to your fans out there?
Friends, I don't know about friends, but just to my family, I just want to thank all my family for their support from day one, for everything they've done and they've sacrificed for me to be here. And we just want big enough for the lift.
Okay, I know that people might be asking you, Lolien, the way debuting, just tell us more about yourself, your family background, where you're from.
I'm from Reo Nandi. I'm married with two girls.
And
What can I say?
okay, your primary school?
I went to Nendia Port School from class 1 to class 8 and Maris Brothers High School from 7. And then played a few years in Nandi. Came through the grades as well, under 19, under 23, the seniors. Then I went over to Southfield for 3 years. In 2013, I made a breakthrough the Southfield Sevens. Got called into the training squad for 15s. And made IPM squad for Southwind. The year after, I went up to Otago in January.
Okay, so you also play for Maris?
Yes,
Maris Brothers?
throughout the grades as well, under 14 to under 19.
Okay, and then you played provincial rugby. You play from the